Hello friends, welcome to the class. Now we are starting the exercise for ARC from the first chapter of geometry, area of triangles and quadrilaterals. So in some classes we solve the important questions for ARC from the chapter, short questions, long questions, out theorems which were asked in different examination before. So first I have taken one very short easy question. It is very short question, 1 mark question. Here you can see one parallelogram ABCD having diagonal BD, and question is, if the area of the parallelogram ABCD is 40 square centimeter, find the area of triangle ABD. We know that diagonal bisect the parallelogram. Therefore, area of triangle ABD as well as area of triangle BCD is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram ABCD. So here we can write area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle BCD is equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. We can write the reason here, since diagonal bisect the parallelogram, number 1. Number 2, therefore area of triangle ABD is equal to half of, what is the area of parallelogram? It is given 40 square centimeter, so it is 20 square centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to 20 square centimeter. So this much is enough here for 1 mark question. Which theorem we are using, which result we are using, it is better to write the reason of this. It is not necessary to make table given to prove all things here for short question. Directly we start. But it is better to copy the figure in our exam paper. Please everybody, you just copy the figure and write your answer in this way directly. Here we have another very short question. The question is like this. There is one figure. In this figure, according to question, ABCD is a rectangle, EBCF is a parallelogram, and area of parallelogram EBCF is given. We have to find the area of rectangle ABCD. We know that rectangle is also a parallelogram. Square, rectangle, rhombus, these are also parallelogram. Here rectangle ABCD and parallelogram EBCF both are on the same base BC and between the same parallel lines BC and AF. Therefore, their areas are equal. Because we have proved the theorem, parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallel lines are equal in area. So don't be confused here. This rectangle is also a parallelogram. If square is given, square is also a parallelogram. And even rhombus is also a parallelogram. Therefore, area of rectangle ABCD is equal to the area of the parallelogram EBCF, because rectangle is a parallelogram and we know that parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallel lines are equal in area. So solution, area of rectangle ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram EBCF. You can write the reason. Parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallel lines, parallels are equal in area. Number 1. Therefore, directly we can write down now. Therefore, area of rectangle ABCD is also, if the area of parallelogram is given 20 square centimeter, area of rectangle is also 20 square centimeter. So this is the answer. Hello friends, welcome to the class. Here we have one short question, very short question from geometry related to the area of triangle and quadrilateral. Here you can see ABCD is a parallelogram and there is one triangle PBC, and it is given that area of triangle PBC is equal to 30 square centimeter. Then we have to find the area of parallelogram ABCD. We use one theorem to find the area of parallelogram ABCD here. If a triangle and a parallelogram are standing on the same base and between the same parallel lines, area of triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. Or area of parallelogram is double of the area of the triangle. So clearly, if the parallelogram ABCD and triangle PBC are on the same base BC and between the same parallel lines BC and AD, so area of this parallelogram ABCD will be just double of the area of the triangle according to the theorem. So it is 1 mark question, very short question, just in one line we can get the required answer. So area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to 2 times area of triangle PBC. We have to write the reason for this. Area of parallelogram is double of the area of triangle standing on the same base and between the same parallels. Therefore, area of parallelogram ABCD is 2 into area of triangle PBC, which is 30 square centimeter. So it is 60 square centimeter. Therefore, area of parallelogram ABCD is 60 square centimeter, which is the double of the area of the triangle PBC. If the triangle and parallelogram are standing on the same base and between the same parallel. In the given figure, if the area of triangle ABC is 16 square centimeter, find the area of parallelogram PQRS. That PQRS is a parallelogram, and we have triangle ABC, whose area is given here, 16 square centimeter. We have to find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. As you can see, the triangle ABC and parallelogram PQRS are on equal bases. It is given by the question, this BC and QR are equal. Therefore, the triangle and parallelogram are on equal bases and between the same parallel lines. In this case also, the area of the parallelogram will be double of the area of the triangle. Our area of triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. We prove the theorem. Area of triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram on the same base between the same parallel lines, is half. That means area of parallelogram is double of the area of the triangle if they are on the same base. But here the figures are on equal bases, and on equal bases also the theorem holds. All the theorems related to area, either parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area, or area of triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram standing on the same base and between the same parallel lines, or triangles on the same base and between the same parallel lines, which we proved the theorem before. This theorem holds for equal bases also. So as the triangle and parallelogram are on equal bases, the area of parallelogram will be just double of the area of the triangle. We use the same theorem here. Because we are given the area of the triangle ABC, we have to calculate the area of the parallelogram PQRS. So area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to 2 times area of triangle ABC. We write the reason for this. Area of parallelogram is double of the area of triangle on equal bases and between the same parallels. Between the same parallels. Therefore, area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to 2 into area of triangle. It is given 16 square centimeter. So it is 32 square centimeter. So this is the area of the parallelogram PQRS when the area of triangle ABC is given. In the same way, sometimes if we are given the area of parallelogram PQRS and at the area of triangle ABC, just half area of triangle will be just half of the area of the parallelogram, as they are standing on equal bases and between the same parallel lines.